Welcome. If you want to record slow motion video in your Xiaomi Black Shark 4, simply you have to open the camera, go for the more modes and then pick slow motion. As you can see right now, we easily open that mode. When we tap on the right upper corner, we can also change speed of the slow motion and resolution. I'm going to pick 120 frames per second. And when you are ready, you have to simply press on the shutter just like that and take a look. Let's check how the slow motion looks in this smartphone, and there it is. So as you can see, it's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.